In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a custom HTML newsletter template to ActiveCampaign and use it to send an email campaign. If you already have an email design created in an external email builder or coded in HTML, you can upload the code directly into ActiveCampaign and save it as a reusable template. First, sign in to your ActiveCampaign account and open the Campaigns or Emails section. Next, find Campaign Templates and click Create a Template. Choose Custom HTML and continue. You'll now see an area where you can enter your email's HTML code. Copy the HTML from your email builder or development tool and paste it into the editor. Before saving, review the code carefully and make sure your email contains the correct links, images, text, and personalization tags. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit. Your custom HTML design will now be available in your template library. Now it's time to create the newsletter. Go back to Campaigns and select Create a Campaign. For a regular one-time newsletter, choose the standard campaign type. Give your campaign a name and select the contact list or segment you want to send it to. When you reach the email design step, choose your saved custom HTML template. Next, add your email subject line and, if available, your pre-header text. Before sending the campaign, send yourself a test email. Check the layout, links, images, personalization, and formatting carefully, especially on both desktop and mobile devices. If everything looks correct, choose whether you want to send the newsletter immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Finally, review the campaign settings and confirm the send. Your custom HTML newsletter will now be delivered to the selected contacts using the template you uploaded. And that's how you upload and send email newsletter templates with ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.